In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix link to Windows app not working. So if the link to Windows app is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, the application should start working. But if the application is still not working, there might be some bugs in the application. In order to fix it, what you have to do is update the app. For that, open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, what you have to do is simply search for link to Windows. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for link to Windows and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. After a while the application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. If the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, open the app library of your device. Now find the application for link to Windows and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option clear cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, the application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix link to Windows app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.